How to buy an e-book or physical book in the Merit Box app. Step 1. Open the Merit Box app. Step 2. Click on the Buy Books. Step 3. Select the book that you want to buy. Step 4. Click on Buy Now. Step 5. Then select Buy eBooks if you want to buy an ebook, or select Buy Physical Book if you wish to buy a physical book. Step 6. Now click on Place Order. Step 7. Add your complete address. Step 8. Click Proceed. Step 9. Now select Online Pay to proceed. Step 10. Click on Pay Now. Step 11. Now select the pay method of your choice to make payment. The physical book will get delivered to your given address. If you require further assistance, contact elearning@goyal-books.com.